Hi, hello guys, welcome to IAS Expert YouTube channel. I hope that your prelims 2021 preparation is going well, and today's video will help you further. This is important topics in Indian polity for your UPSC prelims 2021. The first one is preamble. Please read the terms in the preamble like secular, socialist and sovereign, etc. Please read total preamble and learn the meaning of these words, and read thoroughly 42nd amendment and go through Swaran Singh committee. Second one is Constitution of India. Please read historical background of Constitution of India and drafting committee and making the scheme of constitution and influence of other constitutions, like which article is taken from which country, and certain features of Constitution of India, like total number of articles when drafted and total number of parts and schedules. Third one, citizenship. You should have basic idea of Article 5 to Article 11 and important terms like PIO, person of Indian origin, NRI, non-resident Indian, and OCI. OCI stands for it is a immigration status for PIO, and Pravas Bharatiya Divas, which will be celebrated on Jan 9th every year to remember the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to Mumbai. Citizenship Amendment Act of 2016 and recent schemes, policies and news regarding citizenships of India. Fourth one is fundamental rights. You should have basic idea of Article 12 to 35, and please go through 44th Amendment Act and different types of writs. Please read this, and this is the important topic: enforcement and exceptional cases with regards to fundamental rights and recent issues related to fundamental rights. Recently, Supreme Court has announced a verdict related to adultery. Please go through that. And fifth one is fundamental duties. Please read Article 51A, and you should know the difference between fundamental rights and fundamental duties, and significance of fundamental duties and criticism of fundamental duties. What are the issues of fundamental duties and how to enforce fundamental duties? Sixth one, the Parliament. You should have basic idea related to the Parliament. Please read motions, sessions, parliamentary procedures like 0-hour summoning and prorogation and joint sitting. And you should also have some knowledge regarding parliamentary proceedings like adjourn motion and question hour. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and special powers of Rajya Sabha. Anti-defection law and 10th schedule, parliamentary privileges. Please go through this. Bill and law making procedure, budget, funds and its summary. This is an important topic in Indian polity and Indian economics. And recent parliamentary committees. Coming to judiciary, you should have basic knowledge of judiciary, like types of courts, how judges are elected, and Chief Justice of India. These are the basic knowledge of judiciary. Powers of High Court and Supreme Court, and qualification and appointment of judges and removal procedures of High Court and Supreme Court judges. And you should also read like collegium in judiciary and the role of president in judiciary. Eighth one, constitutional bodies like Election Commission, UPSC, Finance Commission, National Commission for SC and ST, composition, powers and functions, and removal of constitutional bodies. You should know who is the chairperson of commissions and how he was elected, and who has the power to remove chairman from his chair. Ninth one, union. You should have basic idea of articles 52 to 73 and qualification and election of president and vice president, functions and powers of president like executive power, legislative power, financial, judicial, diplomatic, military and emergency power. You should know all the powers of president. Resignation and impeachment of president, role and responsibility of prime minister, cabinet ministers and council of ministers. Resignation and removal of vice president, power and functions of council ministers and attorney general. 10th one, directive principles of state policy. You should read article 36 to 51 and article 368. The sources and key features of directive principles of state policies and classification of DPSP and comparison or conflict between fundamental rights and directive principles. You should know the difference between fundamental rights and directive principle. Important cases like Keshavananda Bharati case and Golaknath case and Minerva Mills, Maneka Gandhi cases. Important amendments: 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment and 97th Amendment. 11th one, emergency provision. You should read National Emergency Article 352 and President Rule or State Emergency Article 356 and Article 360 related to financial emergency. 44th Amendment Act, effects and implications of emergency, role of president in emergency time and revoking emergency, and like who has the power, how to revoke the emergency. The state of fundamental rights and Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And 12th topic is state government, state executives, chief minister and council of ministers and their powers. 13th, state legislature. State legislature compared to parliament with regards to powers, composition and functions. You should know the difference between the state and parliament. Bicameral legislature, creation and abolition of legislative councils. These are the important topics of Indian polity. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.